If you've been charged under the UCMJ, that means you have a formal charge sheet. The next thing that's going to happen is you're going to go down to the legal office and get acquainted and introduced to your military defense counsel. That'll be your first opportunity to begin to prepare your case. You want to evaluate your military defense counsel, make sure that they seem to have enough time to work your case, they're communicating with you. You want to ask for all the evidence in the case. Make sure you get a copy of everything so you can go over it yourself, because sometimes you can see things that your military defense counsel does not.
Being charged under the UCMJ begins a difficult process regardless of the seriousness of the charges. What you need to know is you have several rights, the most important of which is a right to an attorney and of course the right to remain silent. That is to say nothing that would be used against you. And at this point in the charging process, anything you say will be used against you, regardless of your guilt or innocence. So it's best to say nothing. And if you really feel strongly about talking to clear your name, or because you have a reputation, or because you feel like you're a good airman, soldier, sailor, Marine, and you want to clear your name, then call an attorney, consult with that attorney, and then see what that attorney is going to tell you. Most likely, they're going to tell you the same thing I'm telling you, and that is don't speak, don't say anything.
If you've been charged under the UCMJ, you have to remember that you do have rights. And some of your rights are your right to remain silent, meaning that if investigators or anybody in your command wants to talk to you, you have the right to refuse to talk to them. That's guaranteed under the Constitution. You have a right not to talk to them, no matter how upset they get, no matter how much they try to convince you to do that. If they read you your rights and tell you you're suspected of an offense, that's your cue to exercise your right to remain silent. You also have the right to consult with an attorney, and you definitely want to do that. If you're thinking that the best thing for you is to speak with them and to cooperate, speak with an attorney first. Do yourself a favor and get some legal advice about that. Most attorneys will tell you that in the long run, it's better that you not provide them with any information if you're suspected of an offense.
I know that you feel your life is over, your life is collapsing around you. The thing you need to remember is it's a process. You have rights. And so you need to back up a little bit, consider your options, and begin to approach this like you do most things in life, in a step-by-step process, plan it out, and do it the right way. You begin that by speaking to an attorney.